In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dynamic sequences in HubSpot. Dynamic sequences are a powerful tool designed to enhance your email outreach strategy by personalizing follow-up actions based on engagement. This means when a contact interacts with your email, you can seamlessly switch them into a personalized path, allowing your team to focus on prospects showing genuine interest while avoiding those not engaging. Before diving into the setup, ensure you meet a few prerequisites. You'll need to have a Sales Hub Professional or Enterprise license, or a Service Hub Professional or Enterprise seat. Additionally, make sure you have a connected personal email account since team inbox addresses won't suffice, and ensure sequences permissions are enabled in your user settings. Let's get started by navigating to dynamic sequences in HubSpot. Begin by logging in and heading over to the Sales tab, then clicking on Sequences. You should see an option at the top right corner to Create Sequence. Now, in the modal window that pops up, select the option to create a dynamic sequence from the left panel. Naming your sequence thoughtfully is crucial as it helps keep everything organized. In the sequence editor, find the pencil icon, click it, and enter a descriptive name for your sequence that clearly conveys its purpose. Our next task is to add automated outreach steps. Start by clicking Automated Email to compose your initial message. If your plan includes multiple automated emails, you can add more by clicking the plus icon. You have the flexibility to schedule delays between these steps, such as setting a delay for a few business days, which helps manage the pace at which your contacts receive information. Now let's define engagement triggers. Look for the Create Dynamic Follow-up Steps section. By clicking a step, you'll see a settings icon next to signals. Here, toggle on important options like email opens or email clicks. Specify the number of times an email needs to be opened or clicked to trigger a transition to a rep-led path. This ensures follow-ups are targeted towards truly engaged contacts. Once your triggers are set, it's time to add rep-led follow-up actions. These actions come into play when a recipient meets your defined trigger conditions. You'll have the option to add manual tasks such as calls, personalized emails, or other tailored follow-up tasks to deepen the engagement. With the foundation in place, move to the Settings tab, where you can customize finer details, such as when the rep-led steps should kick in post-engagement, adjust email send timing, and configure task reminders with email alerts, setting the stage for effective coordination. For even greater automation, consider the enrollment and unenrollment options under the Automation tab. You have the option to automatically unenroll all contacts from the same company when one responds or schedules a meeting. Additionally, create workflows that automatically adjust enrollments based on behaviors like form submissions or page views. Finally, the moment comes to wrap everything up by saving and activating your sequence. Review all steps to ensure they're configured correctly, then click Save to bring your dynamic sequence to life. With this setup, you're set to optimize your outreach, keeping your team focused on the leads that matter most.